Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix assistive touch not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So first solution, you have restart your device. Initially, restarting your device will be right option for you in order to resolve the assistive touch not working issue on your iPhone device. This is because possibilities are there that your device may some random glitches due to which is fails to work properly. Moreover, there are many users who reported that after rebooting your device, Assistive Touch on the iPhone again started working. Thereafter, try rebooting your iPhone, check if it is help. Then second solution, you have check for iOS update. There are chances that your device may be running on older version of iOS 17 due to which is not working on your device. Therefore, it is now your duty to check regularly for iOS 17 update. However, in case you do not know how to check for update on your device, open the setting, click on General, click on Software Update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all setting. If the above two methods do not allow you to resolve the not working issue with your assistive touch on an iPhone, then there are chances that some of your device setting or misconfigured due to which is or facing this issue. There are four. You must try resetting or setting on your iPhone if you are not sure how to do it. Open the setting again, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, click on reset or setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset or setting. Then last solution, you have disable and re-enable assistive touch. Numerous users have reported that they fix this error once they turn off and then again turn on these features on their iPhone. Therefore, you must also try this out of let us know if help. So there are needy steps that you need to perform this method. Open the setting again, click on accessibility, click on touch, assistive touch, turn on and off again, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So that's how to fix the assistive touch not working on your iPhone. However, are sure that you are not able to use the assistive touch on your iPhone after performing the above fixes, but you can comment below in case you have any doubts or queries on your minds. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.